Alright, so in this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you how to connect your DJI microphone to the DJI Osmo Action 4 camera. So, super simple process. We'll jump straight into it. Alright, so we've got the camera mic. What we'll do first is, let's just turn this camera on. Power it on. Okay, she's powered on now. Now what you want to first do is, if this is the first time you're connecting your microphone to the camera, swipe down, go to the settings menu, the gear icon, and scroll down and you'll see something called wireless mic. Now, when I first tried to connect this and got my camera, this wasn't visible. And I fixed this by updating the software on the camera. So just do an update and then you will see wireless mic. And then this is where you can kind of monitor what's going on once it's connected, and you can play around with that and customize it. So how do we connect the microphone? So what we want to do is, on the side of your microphone, you're going to power it on. It will flash blue and sometimes flash green. So you might have to press and hold it again so it goes from green to blue. Okay, when you get a blue, you press hold the link button here. And it's flashing fast blue. And as you can see here, the camera should connect. So we've got blue, press and hold, there we go. As you can see there, it comes up on the screen. And as you can see, I'm talking through the mic now, and you'll see the bar at the top, the green bar. So you can see if you've got too much, like if your audio is peaking. And to adjust that, again, you swipe down, go settings, scroll down to wireless mic, and you'll see here, you can change the monitor volume, which is basically your gain. You can decide whether you want the LED on, the vibration on or off, audio to video sync, which is useful, low cut. I don't know what low cut is, I'm going to use that. That's basically it though. Now you are connected and you're ready to use your microphone and camera. Hope that was useful. I think this microphone on the DJI camera is insane. You can connect this to all sorts of other devices too, but I've used it on this camera. Connection is real seamless, as you've just seen. And if you want to upgrade your audio, this is like a no-brainer. I like how the fact it's got a cool magnet on the back of it as well. You can connect to any like item of clothing or anything, and you can actually connect up to the camera in seconds. So hope that's useful. Check my other videos for more action camera tutorials, and there's also some useful links in the description below. See you in the next one, guys.